Hello gentlemen and ladies, my name is Vinod Naik. Welcome to Chef Don Kitchen. Today we're gonna make something healthy options. It is lamb soup or a mutton soup. Ingredients are right here, please check it out. So I got 1 kilo mutton, 2 tomatoes, onions, then cinnamon stick, bay leaves, on fresh coriander, broccoli, cauliflower for the spice, chili. Skip the chili if you don't like the spice. I got mixed beans right here. That will make you nice. That will give you more additional taste, flavor, and that's lots of protein in there. Use whatever vegetable you like. This is what I like, so I'm using this kind of vegetables. You can choose your vegetable whatever you like, and the spices. As a spice, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves. Remember, if you need a proper taste and a proper food, you need to put extra time in there. So ginger and garlic, I'm gonna squash it like this. Chop onion, few chilies, heat the oil, add the meat, seal them. Try to get as much bone you can in a meat. That will give you more taste. More bones means more flavor, more taste, lots of proteins and lots of proteins. So let's chop some onion in there. Ginger, garlic, green chilies, fresh green chilies, turmeric powder. Now it's time to add garam masala. As a garam masala, I'm using cinnamon stick, bay leaves, and cloves. That should be enough for our spice. In a medium flame, and we need coriander stem. Let's chop tomatoes. So I've taken 2 tomatoes. Out of 2 tomatoes, I'm going to chop 1 tomato. I'm going to add 1 tomato now, and the second one at the end. So all you have to do, chop the tomatoes in the pot, put the lid, chop done. So leave it until it cooks. So now the time, now almost 1 hour now, the tomatoes is nice and soft. So let's add hot water. Hot water is the best idea. I'm gonna add hot water. I prefer adding hot water while cooking any food. Let's make my work easy. Add as much water as you need for the soup. That will be nice for us. The vegetables I'm going to blanch separately. If you add the vegetable in your soup, that will all get extra cooked and it won't be nice to enjoy. So I'm going to cook pasta as well to go with this. The kids love it. You know, the kids need more presentation. So let's add more water into it and cook it again. So now we're going to cut the second tomato. And add the tomato now. Add the mixed beans, fresh coriander, green chilies, few more green chilies, pasta we can add now, and the chopped vegetables or any vegetables, blanched vegetables, you can add now. This is the time the meat is cooked nice and tender. This is the time you add your vegetable. Leave it for 5 minutes. That will give you additional flavor and the taste looks marvelous. And it looks so exotic, so appetite is so amazing. If you are on healthy options, so skip the pasta and the rice. The reason why I use this because the kids like to eat pasta. They're gonna enjoy it. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.